Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my first video, I will make hijab tutorial for beginner. Special tips so that the chick look a little thin when wearing a hijab is not to part a hijab on the inside or back of the chins, like this. The right one like this, right in the middle of the chins, like this. Well, first tutorial, both sides of the pashmina are the same length. Keep a needle. You only need to pull both and the pashmina alternately. The first one is given a needle first. In here. Next. The release the needle and combine it like this. Done. For this style, you can add hats or other accessories to make it look more cool and stylish. Because I don't have a hat and other accessories, so I can give an example here. The pashmina style that I'm use every day is very simple. There are two styles that I often use during college. First, the two sides of the pashmina remain the same length. Give a needle. And you only need to stick both sides of the pashmina like this. Then connect with safety pins so that the position is fixed and not easily captured. Like this. The pin. Already. For the second style, both sides of the pashmina still have the same length. The right side attach and rotate like this. Give a needle and the left side, pull up and give a needle. Next, a rectangular hijab tutorial. Convert it into triangular shape. Okay. Keep a needle in here and style the hijab like this. Give a needle in here. Next, give a needle in this. So that the needle or pin is not visible, cause it with this section. Alright. For a rectangular tutorial, the position of the hijab does not change. Only the style slightly different. This part is given a needle slightly backward in here. And the rest is kept. And give the needle using the first or vertical combined needle like this. Good. The last side, this side is still draped like this in here. The rest is given a pin or brush next to the cheek like this. Ready? For the street life, it is triggering very easy and appropriate to use every day. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Apologies if it's boring, and apologies if there are many mistakes in my word. May be useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.